What is palm oil purification? Actually, it is the process of removing impurities like sand, fine fibers, and solids from crude palm oil. Why purify? Because pure palm oil equals higher quality plus longer shelf life plus better market value. So, how to remove impurities from crude palm oil? Henan Glory provides a specialized clarification system. It includes 3 parts: an oil clarification tank, a vibrating screen, and a plate filter. Crude palm oil first enters an oil clarification tank. It has a bottom inlet and a top overflow. Heavy impurities like sand, silt, and shell fragments settle along the conical walls. They collect at the bottom and get discharged regularly. Heating coils inside the tank keep the oil flowing. Then, the clarified oil overflows into a collection trough at the top. Next, the oil flows into a vibrating screen. It has a double-layer stainless steel mesh. A vertical motor makes it vibrate. This removes suspended impurities like pulp fibers and fine residues. Finally, the oil goes into a plate filter. It has filter plates and frames arranged alternately. Small particles and colloidal impurities are removed here. After this step, the palm oil comes out clear, and the impurities are pressed into a filter cake. Want to get pure palm oil with stable performance? Henan Glory has different equipment options for your needs. We'll talk about how to choose the right one in the next video. Thanks for watching.